Bethel Public School class. Hope you all are fine. Okay. Today we are going to take the subject English for class 2nd standard, the first unit in English, that is called Raksha Bandhan on page number 1. Okay, before that they have given you a short poem like 5 lines poem it is. So just read it that. Let us begin. My sister and me. So this is a short lines about sister and himself. We laugh, we cry, we make time fly. Best friends are we, my sister and me. So whoever is the poet there, the female or male, he is telling that we spend a very good time with my sister. So what is this good time? We laugh to each other, we cry with each other, we make time fly. Best friends are we, my sister and me. So he is telling that me and my sister are very best friends. So we do all the things together. So he is telling like that. So now you came to know this unit is about sister and brother. Okay. So the unit's name is Raksha Bandhan and we will see what is there in this Raksha Bandhan. What we mean by Raksha Bandhan. So first of all, this is a festival celebrated by Hindus in the whole of India. Okay. So Raksha Bandhan is a festival observed in North India. Not only in North India, it is also celebrated in the South India, overall India. It celebrates warm feelings of love and affection between brothers and sisters. So this is a festival about the bonding between the sisters and brothers. In the epic Mahabharata, means epic is a historical story. Okay, a book of historical events which took place long before. Okay, so the epic Mahabharata, this kind of affection is seen between Krishna and Draupadi. So in Mahabharata, we see the bonding between the Krishna and Draupadi. So who was Krishna? Krishna was a god, Hindu god. Okay, worshipped by all the Hindus. And Draupadi, she was the wife of Pandavas. Again, these Pandavas, they come in this epic Mahabharata. Okay. So 5 Pandavas were there and this Draupadi was the wife of these all 5 Pandavas. When Krishna's wrist bled from a wound. So what is a wrist? This is called a wrist. You wear a wristwatch, isn't it? So this is called a wrist. So what happened? When Krishna's wrist bled, okay, from a wound, Draupadi tore a strip of her silk saree and tied it around his wrist. Okay, what she did? As soon as she saw this blood, she tore a strip of her saree and tied around his wrist. And this Krishna was so touched by her act that he vowed to protect her as he took her to be his sister from that moment. So he was so touched by this incident, okay, he took her as his sister and he promised to protect her all her life. The festival is celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Shravana. Now, again there is a lesson there, okay, a story. Let us read that. 2 girls meet on the street while going to the market. Let us know what they talk. So this is a conversation, a talk between 2 girls, that is Vani and Suma. Just keep your fingers there and concentrate. Vani, hi Suma, where are you going? So these are 2 friends, okay, they are walking in the street, walking to the market to buy something and both of them talk to each other. So what is Vani telling? Hi Suma, where are you going? So Suma again she replies, I am going to the market to buy Rakhis. So where is Suma going? She is going to the market to buy Rakhis. Vani, what is a Rakhi? Suma, it is a symbol of love and affection. So, what is Rakhi? Symbol of love and affection. Okay, it is a symbol of love and affection. She explains it. It strengthens the bond between brothers, sisters and cousins. A Rakhi is made of thread and it is colorful. Look, I have brought some with me. So a Rakhi is a colorful thread and it's look very beautiful and decorative. Vani, what do you do with that? Suma, I tie it on the right wrist of my brother and friends like Raju, Deepu, Arun and others. Not only the brothers you can tie your friends also. Okay, if even they are also like your brothers. Vani, why do you do that? Suma, tying of Rakhi is known as Raksha Bandhan. It is believed that the person who is presented with Rakhi promises to protect the sister. Affection between brothers and sisters is thus established. So when the sister ties the Rakhi on the brother's wrist, so it is a symbol of love and affection. It is a bond created between the sister and the brother always he promises to protect her sister. Vani, please tell me more about it and I will also celebrate the festival. So Vani is telling, please something you tell me more, even I want to know more. So even I can celebrate this festival. Suma, Raksha Bandhan festival is celebrated every year in the month of Shravana. So these Hindus also they have different months like how you have in the English calendar, isn't it? So this festival is celebrated in the month of Shravana. Sisters carry sweets and Rakhi in a plate with Aarti in it. So the sisters they carry Rakhi in a plate with Aarti in it. They tie Rakhi round the wrist of the brother and give sweets. The brothers give gifts or money to the sisters in return. So when the sister is tying the Rakhi, the brothers are also in turn they give a gifts or money to their sisters. Vani, fine, thank you. I will also buy Rakhis and tie them on my brother's wrist. Okay, so she is saying, so even I know what is the importance of Rakhi and Raksha Bandhan. So even I will also buy this and I will tie it on my brother's wrist. Okay, so any doubts children? So here this small unit shows the importance of Raksha Bandhan, the bond between the brothers and sisters. So we need to observe this festival and see the importance of this festival should never die, isn't it? And I have given you some exercises also in the last that we'll discuss it in the next class. Okay, hope you all have understood this small unit and thanks for watching us and take care.